MoonPay Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They think buying cryptocurrency is always complicated and expensive, but the surprising truth is that services like MoonPay in 2025 have streamlined the process, making crypto accessible to almost anyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into MoonPay, exploring its fees, supported assets, security, and user experience, so you can decide if it's worth it or if you should leave it alone. In recent years, cryptocurrency adoption has skyrocketed. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, people want an easy way to buy, sell, and manage crypto. But not all platforms are created equal. MoonPay has positioned itself as a bridge between traditional finance and crypto, offering fiat-to-crypto transactions with a fast, user-friendly interface. Step 1. Understanding what MoonPay is. MoonPay is a fintech platform that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. It acts as a fiat-to-crypto gateway, meaning you can use traditional currency like USD, EUR, or GBP to purchase crypto assets directly. Unlike exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase, MoonPay focuses on simplicity and speed. Its main features include quick fiat-to-crypto transactions, global support for multiple currencies, integration with popular wallets and exchanges, KYC verification for security and regulatory compliance. MoonPay partners with wallets, apps, and exchanges to enable instant crypto purchases, which makes it ideal for beginners who want a fast, straightforward way to enter the market. Step 2. Supported cryptocurrencies and currencies. As of 2025, MoonPay supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Tetherust, Litecoin, LTC, Binance, Coin, BNB, Cardano, ADA, and many more, with frequent additions as new coins gain popularity. On the fiat side, MoonPay supports over 150 currencies globally, including USD, EUR, GBP, AUD, CAD, and JPY. This global support allows users from multiple countries to buy crypto without the need for complicated conversions. Step 3. Fees and pricing. Fees are one of the most important factors to consider. Most people assume MoonPay is cheap, but here's the breakdown. Transaction fees: MoonPay charges a flat fee plus percentage of the transaction, usually around 4.5% per credit or debit card transaction. Bank transfers are typically lower, around 1-2%. Spread: there may also be the small spread on the crypto price, usually 1-2%, which is how MoonPay covers market volatility. Currency conversion fees: if your fiat currency differs from the accepted currency, an additional conversion fee may apply. It's important to calculate total costs, especially if buying large amounts of crypto. While MoonPay is convenient, its fees are higher than some direct exchanges, making it better for small, fast purchases rather than large volume trades. Step 4. Setting up an account. Getting started is simple. 1. Download the supported wallet app or visit the MoonPay website. 2. Select the cryptocurrency and amount you want to buy. 3. Enter your personal information for KYC verification: full name, date of birth, address, and a valid ID. 4. Link your payment method: credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. 5. Confirm the transaction and wait for your crypto to arrive in your wallet. KYC verification usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, depending on documentation and regional regulations. MoonPay's compliance ensures that transactions are secure and meet legal standards worldwide. Step 5. Payment methods. MoonPay supports multiple payment methods: credit and debit cards: instant purchases, convenient, but higher fees. Bank transfers: slower but cheaper for larger transactions. Apple Pay / Google Pay: supported in some regions for added convenience. Most users prefer card payments for speed, especially for small amounts. Bank transfers are ideal for larger purchases, as the lower fees can save money over time. Step 6. Security and compliance. Security is critical when dealing with crypto. MoonPay employs multiple layers of protection. KYC and AML compliance: verifies identity and monitors for suspicious activity. PCI compliance: payment data is encrypted and handled securely. Two-factor authentication 2FA:** recommended for wallets linked to MoonPay transactions. While MoonPay itself doesn't hold user funds long-term, using a secure wallet is essential. Most users transfer purchased crypto immediately to personal wallets, rather than leaving it on the platform. Step 7. Speed and user experience. One of MoonPay's biggest advantages is its speed. Credit card transactions are often approved instantly, and crypto arrives in your wallet within minutes. Bank transfers take longer, usually 1-3 business days. The platform is designed for beginners, with a simple interface and clear step-by-step instructions. Integrated wallet support means you don't have to navigate multiple platforms to receive your crypto. Step 8. Pros and cons. Pros: Fast, user-friendly interface, supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, global access in over 160 countries, KYC and AML compliance for security, multiple payment options. Cons: Higher fees compared to exchanges, not ideal for active trading or large volume purchases, limited advanced trading tools, reliant on third-party wallets for storage. Step 9. Real user example. Take John, a 34-year-old investor from the UK. He wanted to buy $200 worth of Bitcoin using his debit card through MoonPay. KYC verification took 30 minutes. Bitcoin arrived in his wallet within 10 minutes. Fees totaled around $12 for the transaction, which he considered reasonable for speed and convenience. He appreciated the simplicity, as he had no experience with crypto exchanges. John's experience highlights why MoonPay is ideal for first-time buyers and those prioritizing speed over cost. Step 10. Comparing MoonPay to alternatives. Alternatives include Coinbase, Binance, and Simplex. Compared to these, Coinbase: slightly lower fees and additional trading tools, but slower for some bank transfers. Binance: lower fees for larger trades, but interface can be intimidating for beginners. Simplex: similar fee to crypto gateway, but MoonPay has wider wallet integration. In 2025, MoonPay's strength is simplicity and accessibility, while other platforms may offer cost advantages or advanced trading features. Step 11. Tips for using MoonPay wisely. 1. Start small: buy small amounts to test fees and delivery speed. 2. Use bank transfers for large purchases: reduce overall fees. 3. Secure your wallet: always transfer crypto to a private wallet with 2FA. 4. Check fees: compare fees with alternative platforms if buying large amounts. 5. Monitor regulations: cryptocurrency laws differ by country. Make sure MoonPay is compliant locally. Step 12. Final verdict. So, is MoonPay worth it in 2025? It depends on your priorities. Yes. If you want: fast, simple crypto purchases, beginner-friendly experience, and instant delivery. No. If you want: lowest fees, advanced trading tools, or high-volume trading. MoonPay shines as an on-ramp for new crypto users, offering accessibility and speed with acceptable fees. For experienced traders, it may be more expensive than alternatives, but for a first-time purchase or quick transaction, it delivers unmatched convenience. In conclusion, MoonPay is a reliable, beginner-friendly solution in 2025 for buying cryptocurrency. Its integration with wallets, quick processing times, and global support make it a strong choice for anyone looking to enter the crypto market safely and efficiently. With proper use, security awareness, and attention to fees, MoonPay can be your stepping stone into the world of cryptocurrency.